Hi everybody, welcome to the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup Hockey Box Break. Uh, Time is Monday, March 4, 9:24 in the morning. Monday, March 4, 9:24 in the morning. Like I said in my description, I will give away two bonus cards worth between 15 and $30, and two bonus packs of the 2012-2013 Series 1 Upper Deck Hockey. So the first team who didn't got any inserts at all is gonna have that Niklas Backstrom, be a player signatures, that Patrick Sharp dual jersey SPX, and that rookie material Devante Smith-Pelly from Upper Deck. And the second team who didn't got any inserts is gonna have that James Neal, be a player signatures, that SPX dual jersey Henrik Zetterberg, and that rookie material jersey David Rundblad from Upper Deck. And the two bonus packs for the spot number 3 and 4 who didn't got any inserts at all. So the box is over here. Serial number is 189451204 and E 189451204. So I want to thank everybody for bidding. Hope to see you again, and I will have some more box break coming up this week and next week. So just keep looking, and I will try to do a little bit different to some breaks, just to be different than the other ones. And like I said, just thank you very much for bidding, and I'm gonna begin right now with the break, and hope good luck to everybody. Alright. Hope to get nice rookie patch in here. Always liking that the cup cards. Alright. Alright. Okay, we're gonna begin right now. Good luck everybody. First card, it's base card from the San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture, number 249. We have an auto rookie patch, two-colored patch. It's from the Montreal Canadiens, Alexei Hamelin. Montreal Canadiens, two-colored rookie patch, number 249. We have a very nice emblems of endorsement, very nice two patch on that. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors altogether, numbered to 15, and it's for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. Very nice patch on that. Very nice colored patch. Very nice card for the Dallas Stars. We have another nice card over here. It's a Stanley Cup Signatures, numbered to 50, and again it's from for the Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Roy. Stanley Cup Signatures. Very nice card for the Montreal Canadiens. And we have rookie masterpiece, and I think that's a 1 of 1. Yeah, that's a 1 of 1, and it's a magenta plate, and it's from the Edmonton Oilers, Leonard Petrel. Nice card for the Edmonton Oilers. 1 of 1. Leonard Petrel. And the last card is base card from the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Very nice box, very nice cards. 2 cards, nice patch on that Mike Modano, number 15 again. Very nice patch on that, emblems of endorsement. Very nice. Alright, everybody, thank you very much. And I hope to see you again in my other box breaks. So keep looking on my eBay. I will have some more coming up. I will try to have some more Upper Deck the Cup for next week or this week. So thank you very much, and have a great day, everybody.